Okay class. It's time for attendance. Willie?
Here.
Michael?
Here.
Butters? How dare you burp in class? That's it, go to the principal's office right now.
Butters, this is the second time you came to my office. What did you do this time?
Burped in classes.
You know what? I'm not gonna yell at you. Just go home, you're expelled anyway.
Waka 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 waka.
Butters, you childish idiot, how dare you burp in class? That's it, you're grounded for freak, go eat crap now.
Wait, you're not gonna let me eat crap for real, are you?
I meant go to your room right now. You thought that I would let you eat poop? That will be disgusting.
I'm sorry, spoil Turkim Rawadir.